Hey everybody, welcome to this little short video. My name is Karen and today I am going to take you through one of the Bible study tools that you could use in your study through the Bible for this year. This one is the YouVersion computer application and you see that on your screen at the moment. And what I've done is I've simply gone to our YouVersion.com over here, as you can see in the URL bar. And when you go there, this is what you're going to see. Now, you're not going to see on this one necessarily the Bible, but I wanted to take you here because I wanted to show you the organization that has actually put this Bible application out for our use. And you can see that their focus is really on getting people into the Bible every single day. It's about developing that daily rhythm of Bible study because, we will get to know God better when we spend time with Him in the same way as you would get to know someone else better when you spend time with them. Now, to get to their actual Bible, you need to just click on here where it says Bible app, which is their products. And when you do that, you will come over here to what they're calling the Bible app. And you can read lots of the information about the Bible and how they are actually doing it and what they've done and so on and so forth. And as you scroll down, you will see here how you can get the Bible app for your phone or tablet or here on the computer. So you've got installing for iOS if you've got an Apple, or for Android, or a voice activated system. And here we have our computer option, which is the Bible.com. So let's go there now. And you can see Bible.com. Now, if you're going to be using this on the computer, you don't have to go to the YouVersion site. You can just go straight to Bible.com and it will always take you here. Now, you have an option to sign up and sign in. The advantage of having that is that you can then highlight and keep things going, set it up to suit yourself, particularly useful on your phone or your tablet. And I'll show you that when I do a little short screen capture about how to use this app on your phone. So as you can see here, this is where we'll go in a minute to read the Bible, but just to show you, they actually have over 1,200 Bible versions, translations, and so on in 900 languages available for the computer. This is really an advantage if first language is not necessarily English, and you actually want to read it in your own language and then compare it with the English versions that we will be using here in Journey Through the Bible. As I said, when you sign up, and it is free to sign up, and it has been free to sign up all along right from the very first, you can actually then use that to highlight your favorite Bible passages, to make images that you could share, to write your private notes. It's a wonderful app and really versatile for using for studying the Bible. And as I said, you can then go on and install it. Here is an example of a verse. Every day they have a verse that they send to you. Now, on your phone, you can actually get this to send to you and to be a notification every morning. And this will also help you remind you that you should be reading your Bible, which is a great way. I actually use that all the time myself. And I love that because they also give you beautiful images to go with that. You can also make your own images, which is also fun. The other thing that YouVersion has is loads and loads and loads of Bible plans to help you read the Bible every day and encourage you to read the Bible every day and by different people. So if you have a favorite author like Lisa Bevere or Christine Kane or whoever, they probably have a reading plan in here. So it's fun to go and have a look for them and then join them in Bible study. You can also listen to the Bible. So if you're not a good reader, or if you find it difficult to read big chunks of text, the advantage of this one is that quite a number of their versions actually are audio recorded. And so you can actually listen to the Bible rather than having to read it necessarily. My daughter uses this a lot. because she says, Mum, I sit on the train in the morning and I just plug my headphones in, and that's how I do my devotions. I sit there and listen to the Bible. So let's have a start and have a look at reading the Bible. And as you can see, when you click on it, you come straight away to the actual Bible here. And up here is where, now remember, this is the computer version. So here is where you're going to get all your books of the Bible, and they're in the order that they're printed in most Bibles. And you can see that all the way from Genesis to Revelation. And here you get the different versions. So in this case, it's the King James Version, but you have so many different versions that are available for you. And if the version that you like to use isn't visible in the initial list, once you sign in, you can then type in the version that you want to find. So let's go to one of the ones that we are going to be using, which is the English Standard Version, the ESV. And here we have ESV, and you see that it's changed it straight away into that one. And we can look up any one of the verses that we like to look up. So I'm going to go for John chapter 3, and here we see, here's John chapter 3. And what I like about the ESV on the YouVersion is that it's a red letter Bible, which means that the words of Jesus are highlighted in red. So you always know when it is Jesus speaking, which is kind of good to know. So there you have the the whole chapter. And then at the end, you can see, you can actually explore it just verse by verse. So if I go to John 3, verse 16, here it is, and it picks it up. So for God so loved the world, I can share that. I can read it in full chapter. Remember, we always talk about don't take snippets of the Bible. Make sure that you always read whatever you do in context. I can do the Bible lens. I'll talk about that a little bit later because that's only available through the app. And then you can see the different images for it that you can share, lovely images. And there are reading plans that are related to John, where John 3:16 comes up as one of the verses that is being studied. Now, one more thing that I want to show you while we're here on the computer, because I love this part of the YouVersion, and that is their videos. I know we're not going to be using the videos necessarily in our journey through the Bible, but I use these a lot when I'm teaching the Bible in school or at my church. And here you see just fabulous videos, on all sorts of topics. So many of these are from the Bible Project, but some of them are from other sources, and they're free to be used and for you to view. The Bible Project ones, different ones of the Old Testament and New Testament, and they do book by book, and they're a little explanation of it. They also have various words. So, for example, here is the Wisdom series, and it talks about the wisdom literature. It talks about Proverbs and Ecclesiastes and Job and so on. So there are lots of videos here. Great ways to just explore the Bible and to get a little bit of a background to the Bible. And so that's the YouVersion and what you can get on the YouVersion computer application. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to use it on your phone.